Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today was a pretty good day, I'm not gonna lie. We started off at opening higher today, right? So I was really expecting right. So we if it formed right, we would have formed left shoulder, head, right shoulder. But you can see the market kind of chopped the whole time, right? And we were still within this purple, so you couldn't really short this, right? You couldn't short it here, right? And then we also had the yellow here, right? So to short this, right, what we were looking for is either first if we can see if there was continuation, right? Which there wasn't, right? We rejected right here. So you notice that the tapering was here, right? There was tapering. I'm gonna draw that out real quick. So we tapered here, right? So then you could just what you could do is wait for some type of short opportunity, which exactly what happened today, right? Left shoulder head right here, and then the right shoulder off of both orange and yellow. Perfect short here, and this is probably like the trade that you waited for if you saw no continuation right there, right? And I'm gonna show you in the 1 minute. It played out so perfectly. This was such an amazing trade. Um, um, 3 point plus move, right? So plus point move, right? Which 30 point plus move, right? So which is a very cool and amazing trade. Then we have again, you can see the 30-minute candle. We bounced from here. We closed above purple, right? Forming this engulfing head right here, giving us this nice push up at the end of the day and closing back up at the cup, right? So you do have to be careful here because we have various tapering algos, right? The yellow here. So you do want to see some liquidity build, right? Or you want to see us breaking above the yellow, forming some type of cup off of yellow, then targeting the 609 level right here, right? Um, and this pink level, right? So that's something to pay attention for, right? That's what you want to be prepared for. I'm going to show you the trades intraday first, and I'll show you the scenarios that you should look for tomorrow, right? So intraday, right? Exactly the chop that we were in, right? This whole time, right? You see that we still respected purple here, respected purple, respected purple, respected purple. But then you can see that after the cup closed right here, right? We kind of broke below, right? And started breaking below. And then this was the break coming from yellow, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, perfect right shoulder. And then on this right shoulder, the microstructure of the right shoulder was perfect as well, right here, giving us that trade all the way down from 605 all the way down to 602.70, right? So that was a very good trade, very amazing trade. If you caught that, and that's all you needed, right? But then also, you still understand that then we had that big bounce, right? That I showed you in the 30-minute, right? Forming that engulfing candle, and you really could have taken this trade two ways. First off of here, right? First off of here, left shoulder head, left shoulder head, right shoulder right here, take it off of here. Or you could have taken it off of purple right here, right? Left shoulder head, left shoulder head, right shoulder right here, and giving us that final push up, closing that cup. And again, what do you wait for is the handle, right? And then you can see at the end of the day we kind of broke down aftermarket, right? So it all matters where we open tomorrow, right? But essentially, you could, if you missed this trade, right? If you missed the trade down, you could have traded it back up, right? So it's pretty simple, pretty easy. I'm gonna actually make this right, right. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy. If you didn't catch this move down, you could have caught this move up, right? And this was a pretty good move as well. 603 to 60, 2.5 points, right? So both are really great trades. You just had to catch one of them, and that would have been your 5-figure trade today, right? And that's all you needed, and you just call it a day. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And now let me show you from where do we go from here, right? Like I showed you, to go up from here, we either need to open higher, right? Bounce off yellow, right? Form some type of cup and handle, and then target 609 level, right? But if you are headed down, right, this can be beautiful, beautiful head, right? So left shoulder, head right here, and then tomorrow we either form that beautiful right shoulder off a 5-day, right? Right here, and then try to test teal, right? And that's if you're headed down. And I doubt we're gonna have enough time on Friday to fully close this inverse cup if you're headed down, but who knows? But if we but so you want to take it by level first. You want to see the test of the yellow, then the test of the teal, then you're gonna go for the close of the cup, right? So anyways, yeah, so take it level by level, take it easy, take it slow. And again, if you're going up, right, you need to wait for key confirmations, right? Don't rush it. You need to wait for the tapering yellow to become some sort of support that you can bounce off of, right? And you need to pay for the attention to the 609 level, right, which is gonna be the place where we close the cup essentially, right? Yeah, so pay attention, be careful, and I'm gonna remake the pink, but yeah, have a great day, guys. See you guys tomorrow.